Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It's made by fermenting apples with yeast and bacteria, resulting in acetic acid, enzymes, and probiotics. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is more than just a salad dressing. It holds powerful health secrets that most doctors don't talk about. Welcome to Nutrizen. This video is based on thorough research and expert consultation with a certified nutritionist and intended for educational purposes only. In this video, we'll uncover 7 apple cider vinegar secrets that could change your life. Stay tuned. Some of these benefits are truly mind-blowing. Secret number 1. Aids in weight loss and reduces belly fat. One of ACV's most popular benefits is its ability to aid in weight loss. The acetic acid in ACV can suppress appetite, boost metabolism, and reduce water retention. A study in the Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry journal found that participants who consumed 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV daily for 12 weeks experienced significant weight loss and reduced belly fat. Additionally, ACV can help you feel fuller, reducing overall calorie intake. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a large glass of water and drink it before meals to reduce appetite and promote fullness. Secret number 2. Lowers blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity. Apple cider vinegar can help lower blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. The acetic acid in ACV slows down the conversion of complex carbs into sugars, reducing blood sugar spikes. A study in the Journal of the American Association of Diabetes found that consuming 2 tablespoons of ACV before bed significantly lowered fasting blood sugar levels in the morning. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water and drink it before bedtime to help stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. Secret number 3. Enhances digestion and reduces bloating. If you suffer from bloating or indigestion, ACV might help. The acetic acid in ACV can increase stomach acid production, aiding in the digestion of proteins and fats. It also contains probiotics and enzymes that support a healthy gut. According to the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, the acetic acid in ACV helps reduce harmful bacteria while promoting beneficial bacteria in the gut. Dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water and drink it 15 to 20 minutes before meals to stimulate stomach acid production and aid digestion. Secret number 4. Boosts heart health. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to improve heart health by lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels. A study in the Journal of Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry found that ACV reduced blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. The potassium in ACV also helps balance sodium levels, reducing strain on the heart. Mix 1 tablespoon of ACV in a glass of water and drink it once or twice daily as part of a heart-healthy diet. Secret number 5. Enhances skin health and reduces acne. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties that make it effective for acne and skin health. Its acidic nature balances the skin's pH levels, preventing acne-causing bacteria. The acetic acid in ACV also acts as a natural exfoliant, helping remove dead skin cells. A study in the Journal of Dermatology found that applying diluted ACV to the skin can help reduce acne. Mix 1 part ACV with 3 parts water, apply to the skin using a cotton ball, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. Always do a patch test first. Secret number 6. Supports detoxification and liver health. Your liver detoxifies your body, and ACV can support this process. The acetic acid in ACV stimulates digestive enzymes, aiding in breaking down and eliminating toxins. Apple cider vinegar also contains antioxidants like catechin that protect the liver from oxidative stress. According to the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, ACV can enhance liver function by reducing oxidative damage. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water and drink it in the morning or before meals to support liver health. Secret number 7. Enhances sleep quality and reduces nighttime cravings. Apple cider vinegar can help improve sleep quality by stabilizing blood sugar levels. It contains amino acids that may help release melatonin, the sleep hormone. The Journal of Diabetes Research found that stable blood sugar levels can lead to better sleep. Drinking ACV before bed can help keep your blood sugar stable throughout the night. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of warm water and drink it 30 minutes before bed. You can add a teaspoon of honey for a calming effect. By incorporating ACV into your daily routine, you can harness these powerful health benefits. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. It fuels our passion to create more helpful content just for you. Thank you for being a part of our journey.